Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you and your loved ones are safe, healthy, and doing well during this time. If you're new here, my name is Emily and I love to make videos about fashion, jewelry, lifestyle, and anything magical. In today's video, you can probably tell it is a Pandora haul, and I'm really excited to share with you what I picked up from my local Pandora store, and shout out to my girls who helped me. They were so lovely and I had so much fun picking out some items. I picked up 2 wishlist items as well as some pieces from the new autumn collection, and oh my goodness, you guys, I love the autumn collection even more in person. There are some amazing pieces and some that I still do have on my wish list. So make sure to stay tuned for future Pandora hauls. I'm sure I'm going to pick those up at some point. But anyway, you guys, without further ado, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea. I'm enjoying some pumpkin chai from DAVIDsTEA. I'm all about the autumn fall vibes right now, you guys, and this is like a staple tea for me. So if you haven't tried it, it is amazing and I highly recommend it. So cheers, you guys, and let's get started with the Pandora unboxing. Alrighty, so here is our bag, but before I open it, I'm actually wearing right here on my wrist one of the items I picked up from the Pandora store. And this bracelet is so beautiful. It is from the Pandora signature collection, and it's much like a sliding bracelet because it's one size fits all. It's very easy to adjust the size, and it's the Pandora Crown O bracelet. It has little touches of cubic zirconia on it, and then it has the Pandora logo in the center with it saying Pandora going around it. And I just love how dainty, how delicate this bracelet is. It is so pretty, and I actually couldn't resist. I wore this out of the store just because I loved it so much. I'm excited to pair it with other delicate bracelets, but I also just love how it looks. It's so lightweight. It's just so beautiful. So this was a must for me. So that's already a spoiler of one of the wish list items I got. Now let's open the bag, because we got some really fun goodies to show you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm just going to take everything out. This is a special surprise. We have these. And we'll put the bag over there. Okay, so where should we get started? You know what, let me talk about this jewelry box. So unfortunately, my store for the Pandora 20 jewelry boxes, their shipment went missing. And they were so sweet because they said, you know, we told you we were gonna give you one, and they had a couple extra ones left, and they had 3 different styles for me to pick from. And I fell in love with this Pandora jewelry box. It is just so beautiful. It has this beautiful mirror there. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's not too reflective on the screen. And then on the bottom here, you have a place to put your rings, your earrings, as well as your bracelet. And this comes out. And I also just love that it has a little place to put my earrings in. It looks so pretty, and for rings. And I love it has a mirror. This is great to bring traveling. And I love that it has a nice snap closure. It feels very secure. It's not magnetic, but it feels like it's fairly airtight. So I'm just loving this, and I just love the size of it. So thank you so much to the girls at the store, because I really appreciate it. I thought that was so sweet. And for those wondering, don't worry, I did get the Pandora 20 jewelry box. I ordered it on the Easter with another bracelet. So stay tuned. I'm sure I'll be doing a video on that bracelet as well, because it's a very special bracelet. Okay, so we have some more Pandora tissues in here. So let's see, what's the first one? I'm so excited that this is the one I'm going to be sharing with you. So the first item I pulled out is the Pandora Mushroom Charm in Pandora Rose. This has long been on my Pandora wish list, and I was so sad. I actually looked everywhere, high and low, and I just wasn't able to find these. You might remember I had talked about in a previous haul video that I could have gotten these on the e-store, but I decided to wait. They got sold out, and I regretted that decision so much. And I was so excited that my store actually found these, because I think I had asked a while back and they didn't have them. And all of a sudden they were able to find a pair, or one I should say, and you know, it was just meant to be. I love the rose mushrooms. I'm actually planning to put them, if you look right here, my Enchanted Forest bracelet to go on here. and they just make me think of the autumn season, the magic, the enchantment, fairy tales, and you guys know me and my love of fairy tales. So these were just such a must, and I just love them. I love that they have a little touch of cubic zirconia. The detail on the inside looks just like a real mushroom, and it's a nice charm. The bail is really detailed too, and it's a good size charm. So I love this purchase, and I'm so excited I was able to get it. Up next, we have, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I could not resist getting this, you guys. So it's the fox, bear, and little squirrel charm, and it is so adorable. This is a friendship dangle, and it has the little characters in the center here, and each one represents one of my dear friends. So one of them represents Angie, one of them represents Rita, and one of them represents Nicole. They're my dear friends that I met in this community, and I just love them. One thing that I also love is the back of the charm has such cute details. You actually see the details of their back. So it's not just like, you know, a simple back detail where it's just flat. Like, you literally see the shapes of their bodies, their cute little tails peeking out, going around the ring, and I just love how this little charm looks. One of the best parts, though, is in the inside. When you lift up, it says, "Life is better with friends," and a little heart. And what could be more true? So I love this. The bail is very thin, so it actually could work as a good spacer option. It's very plain too, though. So if you do like bails with more detail, this one's very plain. But I just love it. I couldn't resist getting this. I was going to wait, but I kept looking at it, and, you know, this is too meaningful not to get now. So I love that. That was one of the purchases. We have another tissue here, so let's open it up. This one, I'm gonna credit my pretty charm life, Nicole, my dear bestie. This is Skeleton Girl, and she is amazing. I asked Nicole, I knew she had purchased her, and I had asked Nicole if she wouldn't mind sending me some pictures of her. She does this really awesome thing on her IGTV where she showcases charms, and I actually asked her if she'd showcase this one, but she was so sweet. She gave me like a private showcase so I could see all the details. So I love her. She has heart little eyes, a cute little nose, her little mouth detailing, and then her little body is a dangle, which is so cute. And then one of the cutest details that Nicole posted out, pointed out, I should say, is her bum is a little heart. Like, how cute is that? Like, so adorable. So if she sits somewhere, she probably leaves like a little heart indent in the cushion. So I just thought she was so fun and cute. I love her little bow. And I had debated getting the Pandora Pumpkin, the new one that came out last year, that charm with her. I kind of thought they might complement each other, but ultimately I ended up deciding just to get her because she's just so darn cute. So she'll be going on my Pandora Halloween bracelet, and I can't wait to style her. If you guys don't know, I'm a huge like autumn Halloween fan. Like, anything magical, I'm totally down for it. So I just had to get her. She was just too cute not to pick up. So that's everything in this Pandora box. Moving along, we have this box, and I'm so excited to share this with you. So let's open her up. And this was another purchase I was going to wait to get, and then you guys, I just caved. I couldn't resist getting it. Plus, she had pulled out my exact size, so it was really meant to be. So I got the size 17 T-bar snake chain Pandora Moments bracelet. It is so cool. I love the closure, you guys. It's so unique. And when I had first looked at it, I thought that bigger circle opening was the only place the toggle goes through, but it's actually very secure because if you look, there is a tiny circle where the little toggle part goes inside. So it's very, very secure. I'm really excited to test this out and wear it out and about, and I will be doing a review video on this bracelet for you guys, so do stay tuned for that. As you guys know, I do tend to like to really test out my jewelry, especially for review videos, just to let you know really how well it wears, how the closures are, and all that type of stuff. So I will be doing a review in the next couple of weeks. I just want to give this a really good testing ground before I finally say my final word on it, as you guys know. So this is just, I love it. It's so beautiful. And if you didn't know, I do have a detailed blog post all about the inspiration behind the Pandora Autumn 2020 collection on my blog. Pandora was so sweet and sent me photos that I got to use for the blog post and a bunch of information about it. And one thing that I loved about this collection is it's completely inspired by the Pandora snake chain. So they're celebrating 20 years, as you guys know, and this whole collection, or at least parts of the collection, were inspired by the Pandora snake chain. So you'll see interesting takes and really beautiful inspiration of the Pandora snake chain in rings, in earrings, in the bracelet designs, and even in the charms. So I think that's just such a wonderful way to celebrate the 20 years. So had to get this. I love the updated version. I think it's so, so cool. Anyway, that is it for today's Pandora haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the different charms and bracelet pieces that I picked out. I'm so excited about these purchases, and I would love to know if any of you guys went Pandora shopping or got to take a look at the new autumn collection. Please let me know if you did get anything down below, and as well as what you guys think of the collection overall. Anyway, you guys, I wish you a magical, wonderful day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.